There they go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Alfie, get out here. He's such a nuisance. Alfie, get this. Papa. He's got his pine cone now. Hello. Hi. Wow. So wet. Hi. I don't have any snacks. She's gonna bite me. Okay, so it has been raining for 3 weeks here. So you can tell everything is super wet. The donkeys are alive, which is amazing. Here comes Myrtle. That's how I feel too. Oh, exhaustion. It has been raining for 3 weeks here and we have been not able to work on the van. We have a clear spot for maybe an hour right now and we're going to try to replace the battery in the car because we're not sure how long it's going to last. The first one we had died when we were coming here from Berlin and this is a replacement that was also in the car. Yada yada yada. Basically we think we need a new battery, so we got one. But before we get into the battery switcheroo, I wanted to say thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. We really appreciate their support and also actually spent a lot of time working on our Squarespace website this week while we were locked inside in the rain. And Lou actually was the one working on it because he was making a gear page. And he doesn't have any experience with websites and it looks great and it was really easy to use. Right, Lou?
It was very easy.
Very easy and simple. It's like drag and drop and anybody can use it and it looks quite professional if I do say so myself. So if you want to check that out, it is wildlyroam.com/gear and you can see all of the stuff that we use, all of our equipment, why Lou loves it so much, and what his recommendation is if you just want to get started. So with that being said, let's go switch out this battery. We had to park the van so high up after we went and got the battery because this was all like mush and it was scary to drive on it because the wheels kept getting stuck again. And after the last time we got stuck here.
That's where we got stuck.
Yeah. I just didn't want to deal with that again. So we're up here. Odie is alive. Keys.
All right. So to replace our battery, we actually have to remove the seat, which means undoing 4 bolts with this vice grip, which is my favorite tool. And yeah, we just hopefully swap out the batteries. I've never done it before, but I am thinking that it's pretty straightforward.
Okay, let's
find out.
Spin it.
Oh, that was easy.
Yeah. Number 3 and 4?
Number 3 and 4. These ones are not as quite as easy.
Your hat is getting in the way.
Also, obviously this is not the right tool to do this, but we don't have the exact size for these things. So
We're working with what we got.
we're working on top of a mountain.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Yeah?
Yeah. Now we're in business. Yeah.
Last one.
Last one. All right. The seat is free.
Okay, take it out.
So here is our old battery.
So what's gonna happen?
So I just gotta unscrew it, and then we can remove it.
Did we get the right size?
Yeah, I think so. All right.
Okay.
There we go.
What do you got?
This is our new battery. It's a little bit smaller. Just want to make sure that it's all gonna connect, because these guys look a little bit smaller, I think, than the old guys, right?
We've got this side. What do we got over there?
This size. Well, I'll put it over there and take a look. What do you think? Will it fit? I think it'll fit. Cool.
So what's the verdict?
I think it'll fit. We just need to buy a new one of these at some point because this one is broken. So we gotta get a new one of those at some point. I thought I had one from the other battery, but it's a little different. It's not the same.
Okay.
Alright,
Perfect.
so now
Ready when you are.
oh damn, it's bolted into place down there.
Oh man.
One more bolt. Got it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Phew.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's do it.
Hopefully now big battery will move. Alright.
Nice work.
And now our brand new battery.
Can you help?
It's okay. It's in.
Nice. You did it.
Yeah, so far. That was the easy part.
Yeah?
Now we have to see if this will actually work. Part of the problem is that,
Do they fit?
huh?
Do the things fit?
Things fit, but the issue is,
What if you flip it?
but it has to be plus and minus. So,
Which side is plus?
this side's plus. I guess it's all coming from the same place, but like, so now I gotta be careful. This is plus. And this is minus.
Don't cross the wires.
Minus.
Okay.
And plus.
Please tell us what the test is.
Alright, so our battery has a battery key, so you can actually turn it on and off. That way your battery theoretically should never die by accident,
Okay.
because it's always on and off. So we can just turn it, put the key in, and if the radio lights up a little bit, then we know that everything is working.
Okay, let's go for it.
Whoa.
Did we just get air conditioning?
I think we just got a fan. That's never happened before.
Wait, what just happened?
I don't know. Let me see. I think the fan might be. Ah,
Whoa.
wow. So we have quite a bit of.
We have a fan.
And let's see.
We have radio?
Yeah. The radio works.
I wonder if we have a horn.
So if anyone knows where the horn is on a Mercedes 307D from 1981, please let us know in the comments below. We can't remember where it is, we don't really know where the manual is, and there's very little information online about these old cars. And please don't say the steering wheel, because we tried that. Thank you! But yeah, looks like the battery works.
You did it!
That's cool.
Look at you go. So now should we screw it in the floor?
Yeah, so now we just screw the battery into the floor,
I'm really proud of you.
and then we should probably take it for a drive,
Oh,
either today or tomorrow, to charge it all up.
cool.
Wow, I'm surprised that actually worked so well. New battery. Odie's happy. So it turns out we can just use our old bolt because it fits.
Cool.
So that's nice. And that goes in there.
Back in business.
And now, battery is bolted into place.
Ta-da!
All right, so now we just have to put the chair back on, and Odie is fixed.
Cool. Chair is in.
All right,
And?
chair is back, battery is in, battery works. I think tomorrow we'll take it for a drive. Maybe today, we'll see. Load up the battery. Should probably drive for like an hour though, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's that.
Good job.
Feels good to have finally gotten one thing done.
I know,
On
and
the
I
van.
see that is a blue sky.
Yeah, one patch of blue, 3 weeks of rain.
Well, now that that's sorted, I'd just like to thank Squarespace for sponsoring this video and making our van build possible. We really appreciate the support, and I'm sure Odie will love his new battery. Unlike our rusty old van, Squarespace is easy to use and works on a range of devices. So start your free trial today at squarespace.com/wildweroam and use the wildweroam offer code to get 10% off your first purchase.
Oh, dude. How did you even hit me?